Bismillah, Bismillah, au nom d'Allah. Bismillah.
Fellow learners, I want to welcome you to this class in maths. It is a continuing class where we already learned about decimals, but we are just continuing from where we left. And today we want to learn about place value and total value. Now, we know that a number is made up of several digits, and those digits some of them may be greater than 1, some of them may be less than 1 in a case of a decimal number. Now, given a number like this number 7434.24, this number is having two sections. We have the decimal section and we have the whole number section. And we know that the whole number section are numbers actually which are greater than 1. On the other side where we have the decimal section, that number is less than 1. But the whole number can be having a whole number side and a decimal side. Now, if we want to look at a place value in a number, we may ask ourselves, what is a place value of a number? What is a place value of a number? Now, to define this, a place value of a number is a position of a digit. A position of a digit in a number. Putting in mind that a number is made up of several digits. But the place value of a single digit in that particular number is what we are calling the place value. Now, giving an example of this number which I have written 7434.24. We have about 6 digits with there, but each digit is carrying a certain place in that particular number. For example, this digit here, just closer to the decimal point, this digit is the 1's digit. This digit here is the 10's digit. This digit here is the 100 digit. This digit here is the 1,000 digit. This digit, which is just on the right hand side of the decimal point, is the 10th digit, and the other digit is the 100 digit. In that, following that place values. Now we can have a chart which can display some of those place values which we have in a number. For example, the chart that we have here. This chart is showing a certain number. The number that we have written already, having the digit 7434.24. The other side is the decimal section. This other side, on the left hand side, is the whole number side. Now each digit has a place value in that number. For example, I've already given 4 is in the place value of ones, 3 is in the place value of tens, 4 is in the place value of hundreds, and 7 is in the place value of thousands. And it can go on 10,000s, 100,000s, million in those place values. Now, we can have a question that asks us to determine the place value of a certain number. For example, what is the place value of 6 in the figures below? What is the place value of 6 in the figures below? And the figures, we have one which is having a number 79,562.81. We only want the place value of 6. So in this number 79,562.81, what is the place value of 6? Now the place value of 6, we just mention the position of that number, that digit in that number. The place value of 6, the solution for this is that 6 is in the place value of tens. You can see that the place value of 6 in our number is tens. So 6 is in the place value of tens. The next example is 3,104.267. So what is the place value of 6 in this number as displayed on our screen? The place value of 6 in this number, 6 appears there in that number. And so the place value of that 6 there is 100. So the place value of 6 is in the place value of 100. We add th because this is on the decimal side. The digits which are less than, the number that makes less than 1. So we add th to indicate that it is on the side of the decimal section. Now, our next item that we want to look at is the total value of a number. The total value of a number. What exactly do we mean by total value of a number? The total value of a number is the place value of a number multiplied by the digit that you want to get the total value. It's simply the product of that digit you want to get is total value multiplied by the place value where that digit appears. So for example 1, what is the total value of 8 in the number given? What is the total value of 8 in that number given? That number given there, which is 8,596,140.73. What is the total value? what is the total value of 8? What is the total value of 8 in this number? This number 8,596,140.73. What is the total value? We have said that to get the total value, you simply multiply the digit which you want to get is total value by the place value of that digit, where exactly it appears in the number. So if we look at this number 8, it appears in the place value of million. It appears in the place value of million. So we are going to take 1 million, multiply by the digit itself. The digit is 8. So to get the total value, then it will be equal to 1 million, that is its place value, multiplied by the digit. The digit we want to get is total value. And this is simply going to give us 8 million. So the digit 8 in this number, 8,596,140.73, that digit 8 carries a value of 8,000. It carries a value of 8,000 in that particular number. Taking another example, what is the total value of 7 in the same number? What is the total value of 7 in the same number? What is the total value of 7 in that number? What is the total value of 7 in the number 8,596,140.73? What is the total value of that 7? Now, if we look at 7 in that number, it appears just on the right hand side of the decimal point, and that position is the position of 10. 10 is written as 0.1 in the position of 10. So if we want to get the total value of 7, then that is going to be equal to, we pick that digit 7, multiply by its place value 10. We can also write 10 as 1 over 10. At 10. So if we want to get the position of that, the total value of that, we are simply going to pick the number, the digit 7, multiplied by 1 over 10, and this is going to give us 7 over 10. In terms of decimal, it is simply going to be 0.7. 0.7. So therefore, the total value of 7 in this number is 0.7. 0.7, meaning that it is less than 1. Now, following these examples that we have given, it is therefore very easy for us to get the place value of a number. Once given a digit, given a certain number, you can get the place value of a single digit, in that number, you can as well calculate the total value of that digit in that number. Now, want us to look at example 2 appearing down there. What is the total value of 3? What is the total value of 3? And I want the learners, you learners, to give me the answer for that. What is the total value of 3 in this number 5? Now, learners, what is the total value of 3? What is the total value of 3 in this number 5,734 and 2.59? What is the total value of 3? Learners, let me give you some 2 seconds for you to give me the answer, so that we see whether you are right. Okay, learners, very good. Now, I think you have done the same way I've explained, that the total value of that number will be looking at the place value of that digit. Our digit is 3, and it appears at the place value of 10,000. 10,000. So our digit 3 appears in the place value of 10,000. So what I hope is that you have taken the digit to get that total value. You have taken the digit 3 multiplied by its place value 10,000, and therefore I hope you've got 30,000. That's very good, learners. I hope for all that we have learned today, you are able to do that activity that follows there. That activity that follows there, I hope you are very much able to do that particular activity. Thank you very much. We meet next time. Have a nice time.